Hey everyone, this is Lilith with Seasoned Delicious Foods here with our Garlic Delight Spread from our Above Earth line. This is part of our gourmet collection of products. We've got a lot of variation with this. It's great on toast, it's great on sandwiches, it's great with roasted veggies, it's awesome with pretty much anything. If you want to just spread it on, a little can go a long way. A wonderful dip, and also this is handcrafted and small batch. And remember, flavor is our expertise.